What's up, everyone? Mack here from the Pieces for Developers team, co-founder, chief product officer, and also lead front-end developer for the Pieces for Developers desktop app. I'm thrilled to be starting this series where I'll be recording videos, sharing power tips and best practices when using the app. These will highlight key features you may or may not be aware of, how to get the most out of the tool, and how to become a Pieces power user. The first feature I want to share with you all is the brand new power menu. The power menu was released in version 2.12.0 of the desktop app. It is a feature that brings all features and views in Pieces a lot closer together. It helps you navigate through the app and perform any action, anywhere, with ease. We're super excited to share it with you, so let's dive in. What you see here is the Pieces for Developers desktop app. This is my instance of the app with all my saved snippets. There's a couple different ways to trigger the power menu. The first, if you're a VS Code user, you'll be familiar with this one, Command-Shift-P. This is the same shortcut to open the command palette in VS Code, so it should be super familiar with you. If you're on Windows or Linux, the shortcut instead is going to be Control-Shift-P. I'm going to go ahead and close the menu here. I can do that by clicking this X in the top right, or simply by tapping Escape. Now, the second way to trigger the menu, which in fact is my favorite way, is Command-Return. If you're on Windows or Linux, that's going to be Control-Return. For me, I prefer to use 2 keys instead of 3, but at the end of the day, that's just my opinion. Either way, simple enough. Now that we're in the power menu, you can see all sorts of actions. These actions range from being able to navigate to different views, open menus, perform actions on specific materials or Copilot chats, or open Pieces resources in the browser. If there's an action you're looking for and you can't find it, definitely drop us an issue on our public support GitHub, and we'll be sure to get that included in future release. In this demo, I'm simply going to navigate to the Pieces Copilot view. You'll notice it's the first option in my list. I can do that by simply tapping Return on Mac OS, Enter on Windows. If you're a mouse user, you can use your mouse, click it, Enter. Not bad, right? Now that I'm in the Copilot view, I can open up the power menu to perform a new action if I want, or in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap a new hotkey, Command-N, to start a new chat. If you're on Windows or Linux, it's going to be Control-N. Now that I have a fresh chat, I'm ready for whatever's next. The last thing I'll show you is that no matter where you are, the power menu makes it simple to either get back to where you were or head to your home view. Simply open the power menu and type back, tap enter, and now you're there. That's it. That's the Pieces power menu. We look forward to learning how this works for you. And as always, don't hesitate to share any feedback or issues you experience with the team. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more, and happy coding.